wanted to learn how to draw a shark. So, let's start. Here's my black pen. At the beginning, you have to draw a curved line. And then, draw a small line from here. Keep this portion empty because we will draw the shark's mouth here. Now here's the shark's wings. This wing is a little bigger. Now keep drawing the line. Connect here. And now let's draw its tail. Okay, let's draw its tiny wings. From here, the shark has a big one. Let's draw its mouth now. The shark has sharp teeth. Draw some tiny lines. That's enough. Now let's draw its eye. My drawing is done. Drawing a shark is really easy. Let's do the coloring. For coloring, you can use a pencil. Yes, just a simple pencil. It will create a nice gray color. Even you can make gradient with a pencil. I will make the wings a little deeper. There is some interesting facts about sharks. Do you know, Mithi? Sharks keep the food web in check. Many shark species are apex predators, meaning they're raised at the top of the food web. Wow, my coloring is done. It's looking amazing, isn't it, Mithi? I want you to draw a shark like this. And I wanna see how was your drawing. Bye bye, Mithi.